Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Jesse from Handiwerx.com. In today's video, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how to get your custom shower ready so that you can apply your tile. Our first step is going to be to get the cement board on. So as you can see here, we already have our cement board up, and the framing that we had in this building is all metal, all steel studs. So what we did is we used the self-tapping screw with a special coating on it in order to get these boards up. Now as you can see, this room is about 10 feet high, so that's a whole lot of tile. And we're going to waterproof this going up past this shower spigot here so that all the wet zones are all nice and waterproofed. While pinching the tape on this side, you take your pencil, you put it on the other side. Then you take your tape while you have it pinched and your pencil on the mark here. Then you're going to want to just ride the edge of the material all the way down. So now if we go to this end of the piece, see what our measurement is. See that? We're right there at 5 3/4 of an inch. Let's see where we started. 5 3/4 of an inch. And that's it for today's cheat code. Be sure to watch our other videos for some other tips and techniques on how the pros do it. So the next step after getting all your cement board up is you're going to have to go back and tape the joints. Now, but to do this, we're going to mix up some of this mortar we have. Here we're using a VersaBond mortar. This is just a regular thinset that you can get at the big box supply store. And we're going to need our drill with a nice paddle bit, an empty bucket, some water, some of this mesh tape. You can find this in the drywall aisle, or they do have it in the flooring section at your Home Depot. And we're going to need a 6-inch mud knife. So our first step is we're going to want to mix some of this up. And always be sure to put water in your bucket before your mortar. So the next step after you got your mortar mixed up is that you're going to want to take your mesh tape and you're going to want to run it on all the joints where each piece of cement board is intersecting with itself.
Oh.
So the next step on your DIY journey is you're going to want to take your waterproofing membrane and apply it on the walls that you previously put your cement board up. And now if we back up the taco truck a minute and we take you back to yesterday, when we put 3 rows of tape on these control joints here, that should be adequate enough to bypass using the product that they sell with this system for your control joints. And there's not really much to it. You just take a paintbrush and you put on a nice thick coat. And if you got enough to do 2 coats, it's not gonna hurt. And the product that we're going to use to do this is also part of the Superior brand of materials. This is the Pro Shield. I picked this up at the tile shop. If you want a link to it, I'll leave a link down below. Make sure you tell the tile shop that Handiwerx sent you, and they'll take good care of you. And now just to give you a visual of this product, as you can see, it kind of looks like freshly squeezed Smurfs or something that maybe Gargamel would drink. So now we're going to let this dry for about 2 hours, and then we're going to come back and give it a second coat, and then we'll be ready for tile. And that wraps up this video about how to waterproof your shower. If there's any tips or tricks that I missed and you guys are curious about, leave a comment below. If this video was helpful, hit the like button. If you want more action like this, hit that subscribe button. All right, y'all.